I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 94, and we're going to be talking about what are closing costs. When purchasing a property, it's almost inevitable that a client is going to ask me about closing costs. Closing costs are additional fees that are associated with the real estate transaction, and they can generally range between 3 and 5% or higher in some cases. Closing costs are typically higher for buyers but are present on both sides of the table. Items such as appraisals, attorney fees, discount points, prepaid homeowners insurance, title insurance, overnight postage, and recording fees can really add up fast for both sides. Causing additional frustration is it's hard to get an exact amount until the attorneys do a closing disclosure, and that's not released until a few days before closing. Your lender, your attorney, and your agent can likely get you an estimate, but it won't be exact until you see the closing disclosure. If you want more information specifically about the closing disclosure, you can go back to episode 19. We are closing in fast on episode 100, and I'm working on doing a giveaway or a prize when we get there. Be sure to stay tuned for more information. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. I'm also on popular social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.